Put these on. Come here, go put these flashes on.
Does anybody keep these?
Me and my dad will take them.
Here. I'll do that with them.
Alrighty.
So you bought this thing? You bought this thing?
What's here?
I like this bag that catches all your breath.
Oh yeah, dude, it's a lifesaver.
You repack all yours.
We don't reload the 223s.
Yeah.
We just sell the brass from those.
Oh yeah.
But we reload our 45s.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we picked up that bag about $15.
Yeah.
It's a lifesaver. Oh, sorry.
But it's okay.
Catch the brass?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that thing there had saved you from having to bend over.
Dude, we got some 270 brass too.
Cool. Yeah, $15, it's worth that.
Yeah, it is for sure, man. I like that. That is cool. Yeah,